Have you ever heard of the word credit score and get confused? Listen to Melina as she tells you what credit score and debt management mean in your life.
Hello, I am Melina. This thing I am about to tell you will save you thousands of dollars. I repeat, these 5 things I am about to tell you right now will save you thousands of dollars. You will get the full benefits of what I am about to say, only if you follow every steps in this video. Do you know that spending money the right way and managing debts is a great measure to succeed financially? You can do this by properly manage your debts and credits. Don't worry about these terms, for I will explain them to you, to your understanding. Number 1. Have a good credit score. What is credit score? And how does it affect you financially? Sometimes, if you do not have any money, and you want to get loan to sort out your expenses or business, then your credit score will speak for you. How? Your credit score affects your ability to get loans, the interest rates you pay, and even your ability to rent an apartment or get a job. It's your financial report card. A good credit score can save you a ton of money over time. But what makes up your credit score? Let's break it down. Ever wondered why a 3-digit number can control so much of your life? Let's uncover the mystery. Now, let me show you the components of credit score and how to get a good credit score. Your credit score is made up of 5 key factors. 1. Payment history. 35%. Do you pay your bills on time? 2. Amounts owed. 30%. How much of your credit limit are you using? 3. Length of credit history. 15%. How long have you had credit? 4. New credit. 10%. Have you opened a lot of new accounts recently? 5. Credit mix. 10%. Do you have a good mix of credit types? These components are used to boost your credit score. Knowing what affects your score is the first step. Ready to boost your score? Let's move on to some powerful strategies. We have Sam, who is ready to show you 5 different ways to boost your credit score for a more stable financial life.
If you are looking for ways to increase your credit score, you are at the right place. Though it takes some time, but it is doable. Follow exactly these 5 steps I am about to tell you. 1. Pay bills on time. You can do this by setting up automatic payments or reminders anytime you have an outstanding loan. 2. Reduce debt. Focus on paying down high-interest debt first. 3. Keep credit utilization low. Use less than 30% of your available credit. 4. Avoid opening too many accounts. Each inquiry can slightly lower your score. 5. Check your credit report. Look for errors and dispute them. Follow these steps and watch your credit score soar.
Quick tip. Did you know even one missed payment can seriously hurt your score? Always pay on time. Want to see your credit score soar? Here's how. Apply effective debt management techniques. Debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can take control. Here are some effective techniques. 1. Debt snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first to gain momentum. 2. Debt avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first to save money. 3. Consolidation. Combine multiple debts into one with a lower interest rate. 4. Negotiation. Contact creditors to negotiate lower interest rates or payment plans. Pick a method that suits you and stick with it. What's the biggest budgeting mistake people make? Stay tuned to find out. Feeling overwhelmed by debt? These methods can set you free. Tips for avoiding debt in the future. 1. Create and stick to a budget. Know where your money goes each month. 2. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for unexpected costs. 3. Use credit wisely. Only charge what you can pay off in full each month. 4. Educate yourself. Keep learning about personal finance and debt management. These steps can help you maintain a healthy financial future. By following these tips, you can avoid falling back into debt and keep your finances on track. Want to avoid debt forever? Check the guides to follow in one of our videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Follow us on social media for daily tips and inspiration. Until next time, remember, financial abundance and holistic well-being are within your reach. Stay mindful and stay well.